Sharanarthi. Welcome everyone to our Basava Jayanti celebration. As we stepped onto the stage, we recited a Vachana, Basavarna's Vachana, dedicated to all the mothers and fathers in recognition of both Mother's Day and Father's Day. Let's also thank Gayatri Aunty for her insightful speech today. Your vision and leadership continues to inspire all of us.
Tonight, we honor the birth anniversary of Basavarna and celebrate his profound teachings. Basavarna advocated for social equality and emphasized personal experience and spiritual enlightenment over rituals. Aren't those such progressive ideas for the 12th century?
Of course, let's embrace the joyous spirit of music and dance as we pay homage to this great philosopher and social reformer.
Get ready to immerse yourself in an evening of festivities. We got Aditya Kattimani, the MC of this evening. He's in 8th grade and his parents are Vanamala Ashok and Ashok Kattimani. Aditya is not just an incredible singer, but a multi-instrumentalist who can rock the piano and flute. But get this, he's a coding genius and a chess whiz. In his free time, he likes to play sports like soccer and tennis. Did you know back in the day he used to be my trusty sidekick?
We've got Aniket Pramod, your other MC for today. He's in 6th grade and his parents' names are Anusha Pramod and Pramod Shivakumar. Aniket is not only an amazing singer, but he's also a master at the piano, the violin, and guitar. And did I mention he plays basketball too? Yeah, he used to be my trusty sidekick back in the day, but looks like he's outgrown that.
Without further ado, let's kick things off and give a warm welcome to our first performer of the evening.
Mara brother, a 9-year-old, is singing Ekadantaya Vakratundaya, a devotional song dedicated to Lord Ganesha, honoring his wisdom and kindness. The lyrics weave a beautiful tapestry of praise, and the soothing melody makes it perfect for quiet reflection and spiritual connection. It's a powerful mantra seeking Ganesha's blessings and guidance, making it a treasured gem in devotional music. Wasn't that such a melodious song by Mara? Please give her another round of applause. Now,
How long have you been singing, Mara?
In person, I've been singing for 2 months, but when I was 6, I also sang, but I don't remember how long.
it was also really nice that you memorized the entire song.
Being a singer myself, I recognize your dedication and hard work. Great job, Myra.